Brad Hall here, and with me today, it's an exciting Michael Air Jordan 1. It's the CO.JP Tokyo pair. I'll tell you all about it, and then a little bit later, is this the best Michael Air Jordan 1 high of the year? I answer that question. Now I'm really excited to get into this shoe, share all those details with you. But before I do, I just wanted to share some different details, a quick update. This past weekend, the first annual Kerwin Frost Telethon took place. All the money raised during the telethon goes to a really great cause, the Know Your Rights Camp. Kerwin and I co-hosted the celebrity auction. We had a really good time talking about a lot of cool celebrity items. The celebrity auction is going strong for a few more days, and there are some really cool sneakers in there. I'm gonna put a link in the description, so check that out. And now let's talk about this shoe right next to me, because there's a lot to talk about. This colorway originally released in Japan in 2001. This is the first retro of this colorway, and I'm glad they did bring it back because it is definitely a looker. The overall appearance of this shoe is fairly subdued, but there are some really interesting things going on. The neutral gray bits and the shiny silver pieces, they contrast each other nicely, but it's not over the top in any way. The silver isn't that shiny. It's not like tinfoil on here. Another classy detail is this leather tongue. It's really soft. There are also a lot of smaller details on this one, a more robust, rounder athletic style lace. On the inside of the tongue, a tag commemorating that 2001 release and this release. And then on the front side of the tongue, this is actually a different detail from that original pair. This one has Nike Air on it. So all in all, this is a top-notch release, just a really nice colorway, and exciting with that historical significance. The first time in about 20 years we see this shoe. Like I said, this is a really great colorway, but is it the best Michael Air Jordan 1 high of 2020? Well, let's take a look back at those previous releases. The white and red pair that was in that New Beginnings pack. Then there was that black and red 85 pair. There was the pine green pair, the Zoom Racer blue pair, the court purple pair, and the royal toes. And then of course the Dior's, you can't forget the Dior's. There was also that gray, black, and red pair, also that green and black Zoom pair. So obviously a lot of stiff competition, but it's important to take into account the shoes that are going to release in the rest of 2020. Those are the colorful Biohack pair, the Space Hippies, there's another gray, black, and red pair, another Japan pair, then there are those dark mochas, you've got the shiny black and gold pair, and there will probably be some more pairs that pop up from now until the end of the year. So is this pair, right here, the best Michael Air Jordan 1 high of 2020? I would say definitively that it is in the top 10, maybe even the top 8 or 6 or so. It is a very good colorway. So there you have it, a definitive list of shoes. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to check out those celebrity auctions. I've got that link in the description. I'll see you again soon.